The auto industry is a leading example of the country's growing manufacturing prowess. A number of foreign companies have injected capital into the sector, but now Indian carmakers are on the rise and becoming increasingly competitive. NHK World's Kyoko Fujita has more. This industrial park in northern India is home to foreign carmakers and part suppliers. One of them is a Japanese company that's the world's largest manufacturer of cables for controlling brakes. The firm enjoyed strong sales after launching its Indian business 15 years ago, but that changed in 2011, and the company fell into the red. One reason is increasing competition. Auto companies around the world have been flocking to India. Car sales have been growing sharply, but end demand is now slowing down. Consumers are struggling with soaring fuel costs and much higher living expenses. Executives at auto parts suppliers are under pressure to cut prices, but that's not easy. The Japanese company must import one of its essential components. Similar ones made in India don't match its quality. The recent weakening of the rupee means that the part costs more to import.
Many suppliers are now offering lower prices, so competition is getting more intense.
While many foreign suppliers in India struggle with cost cutting, Indian companies are becoming more competitive. This manufacturer is located near New Delhi. It produces metal brackets used in car seats and body parts. Managing Director Naresh Chawla used to work for a Japanese automaker. 10 years ago, he set up his own factory. His experience has paid off. Sales have grown 14 times higher than they were in the first year. Much of the success is due to low prices. The company's products are about 1/3 cheaper than those of foreign rivals. Chawla is able to offer cheaper goods by cutting costs. One way he does that is by buying used factory equipment. Low labor costs are another key. Chawla hires workers from nearby villages. He teaches them the skills they need. He also cuts costs by sourcing raw materials from Indian mines and steel companies. Automakers from Japan, the US, and Europe are giving him business.
In India, it is required to produce quality products, yet to give quality product to the customer at very low cost and at right time. This is the key to win the confidence of our customers.
Chawla is visiting one of his clients, a major US tractor manufacturer. They're negotiating a new contract. Indian farmers are buying more tractors, and the US company is trying to become more competitive in the market.
That is the normal one. But you thought आपको से लिया पहले so that you can start to make your mind how they will be done and it will be done. Okay. Your price, the target price you will send us. Yes. And then we will meet again. Yeah.
The negotiations are also a chance for Chawla to expand his business in the agriculture industry.
I should grow every year by year. My family should be better next year. Next year should be better than from today.
Some foreign companies in India are facing an increasingly tough business environment. That's opening the door for domestic manufacturers to grow and contribute to the Indian success story.